The second step of the interdisciplinary research process, or the IRP, is to justify the use of an interdisciplinary approach. Although the experts sometimes skip this step in their publications, beginners like undergraduate students should explicitly make a case for an interdisciplinary approach. In this course and in INTG 499, you'll want to explain how the problem or question you are studying meets the 4 requirements covered in this lecture under Step 2. These requirements are supported by the national academies, which means they are relevant to a wide variety of disciplines, not just psychology and sociology. The first requirement is that the problem is complex. It has multiple parts, and multiple disciplines have made contributions to understanding it. Some examples of questions that could help you brainstorm ideas include: what does it mean to be free, to be fair, to be happy, to be loved? How does social media impact everyday life, the workplace, the pursuit of justice, a change in social norms? How could we eliminate hunger, homelessness, human trafficking? What are the most effective ways of deterring undesirable behavior in groups? In the subsequent steps, you will confirm the complexity of the topic when you map the problem in Step 3 and when you conduct a more comprehensive literature search in Step 4. If you later find that the original problem or question is not complex enough, you would return to Step 1 and modify the decisions you made. Then you would proceed with Steps 2, 3, 4, and so on. Remember, this revisiting of earlier steps and modifying decisions is expected. It is part of the process. Even the experts have to do this when they try to understand a problem or question. It does not necessarily mean the interdisciplinarian is incompetent. In fact, I would say they're being careful and using their resources efficiently.